We're ready for your case as soon as, okay, defense counsel just have to get some water.
Alrighty.
Okay, I need you to state your name for the record.
Yes, ma'am. Terence Darell Gaines, Jr.
Okay, again, good morning, Mr. Gaines, and sir, thank you for your patience.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court is calling case number 82-257-19337. The people of the state of Michigan versus Terence Darell Gaines Jr. Has a couple of aliases. Terence Gaines, Terence Darell Gaines, Terence Darell Gaines. Okay, appearances, please. Mr. Brico.
Judge Miguel Brico, on behalf of Mr. Gaines, my client's been advised of his constitutional rights. He waives a full reading of the complaint, stands mute.
All right, then, thank you. The court will enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, Mr. Gaines. Mr. Brico, no, let me hear from who's the officer on this one. Brassfield, Detective Brassfield. Is someone there present with you, Mr. Gaines? Oh,
yes,
okay.
yes. Detective Brassfield.
All right. You have any input as it relates to a bond for Mr. Gaines?
Detective Brassfield's on his way back here. He'll be here in a minute.
Oh, he's on his way back. Okay, I didn't hear you. Okay.
No worries.
All right. Well, we'll go ahead. We'll hear from, go ahead, Mr. Brico. You can give your picture if you want to wait. Do that.
Judge, I'll make my argument. I think that when detective comes, just keep that in mind. Judge, on behalf of Mr. Gaines, my client's only 21 years old. Judge, these are very serious allegations. I went through them with my client, explaining to him the maximum penalties. And again, through their interview, we learned some surprising things together, Judge. There are a lot of things in this report. This is a very intensive and diligent investigation. But Judge, there's only one side that we're hearing of it, which is the complainants. And it doesn't match or corroborate with my client's side and other involved others too, Judge. There are some strange things happening here. He's being charged with the possession of material, which is the most serious of these allegations. Just to note for the record that the person that is alleged to be in this material is 17 years old, Judge. Notwithstanding, it's still illegal to have that, but this is not a situation we typically see where it's a minor, an individual under 12, 13, such as that, Judge. My client lives at home with his dad. He has 2 children himself, Judge. He is suffering from certain mental illnesses. He does have psychosis. He does take medication for that, Judge. This is relevant under the court rule that we can consider when fashioning bond. Judge, I think the most important thing here is I'm not aware of any flight risk history. It's just about safety to the public. I think if you were to allow Mr. Gaines a personal or cognizance bond with an order to not use any computers during this time or any social media during this time, or to be in touch with any minors or in communication with any minors at this time, I think we can do our job here today, and especially this court can fulfill their obligations in keeping the public safe through orders other than a monetary amount of bond. So, Judge, I am asking you to consider consider that he is a lifelong resident of this state, lives with his dad, has significant community ties with that regard of the 2 children, his father, his home in Westland. I think if he were to be let out on personal, he'll show up for his next court date, and to be given those other conditions will ensure the safety of everybody involved.
All right, then, thank you. We'll wait and hear from Detective Brassfield. Did he make it back, Mr. Gaines?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm right here, Your Honor.
Okay, just wanted to, good morning again. I wanted to know if you had any input relating to the bond for Mr. Gaines.
Yeah, we're going to request a high cash bond due to involving a minor and the seriousness of the human trafficking incidents and things like that in society, and some type of tether to know where he's possibly at.
All right. What about prior record? Do you have that?
I have the CCH in front of me. He does have an active warrant. Looks like out of Garden City at this time.
All right. Any convictions?
I do not see any for this type of matter at this time.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Thank you. Okay. All right. So, Mr. Gaines, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, the court understands that there may be some mental health challenges and that you do take medication. But these charges are concerning. They involve a minor, and you perhaps have some defense to these charges.
Yes,
I
have 2 minors myself.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want you to talk about your defenses today. This is just an arraignment, okay? You'll have an opportunity to bring those defenses up at a later point in time. But right now, this court is responsible for setting the bond, making sure that the community is protected, okay? And also assuring that you'll return to court.
Yes, ma'am.
So with that, the court is going to set a bond. $50,000 cash surety bond.
You said, do I have cash or what?
No, your bond is set at $50,000 cash or surety.
Okay.
And if that bond is posted, sir, you will be on a tether with curfew of 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. All right, bond conditions, sir, you're not to have any contact with any minors or have contact with any minors, and you're not to use any computers while this matter is pending.
Okay. Understood, Judge.
Okay, all right. You have 2 court dates, Mr. Gaines. You have a probable cause conference that's scheduled for August the 28th. That will be at 9:00 a.m. And then you have the right to a preliminary examination, which is scheduled for September the 4th. That's also at 9:00. Both of those matters will be heard in the Westland District Court, the 18th District Court, okay?
Did you put those dates?
Yeah, we'll give you all that paperwork. You'll be
Yeah,
notified and everything like that.
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right then. Okay, take care, Mr. Gaines, sir.
You as well,
Get the
Judge.
help you need. All right.